Hey guys, it's Liz. Unfortunately, I haven't been recording at all today. Just started, as you can tell. It's about 4:48. I'm still in the same clothes that I've been in all day. I got home from work at like 3:30. So yeah, I've been back and forth between the computer and the TV. You can't see the TV, but I can. But I've been back and forth, so yeah. Alright, so right now it is about 8:03 at night, obviously at night. Because at 8 o'clock in the morning I'd be at work. And so you guys can see me. But you know what I just noticed? About my blanket? Like, it's tearing. Like, it's becoming, I guess because it's old, starting to rip and stuff like that. So I gotta get a new blanket, unfortunately. And I love this blanket. I've had it for quite a long time. But right now I'm doing my blue sheets, and I'm tired. I'm doing my blue sheets and I'm watching Monday Night Raw. I didn't watch all of Monday Night Raw. I got so tired. But I don't know why. It's just lately I haven't been getting much sleep, and I have no clue why. Like, I'm restless. I'll wake up like every couple of hours after only being asleep for a couple of hours, and I don't know what's going on. Um, I really have no idea. Excuse me. And for you guys, that's just water. Lately I've only been drinking, water and tea. Um, if you guys don't know, like, it's not my very own tea, but I make my own tea. It's not nothing special. It's just tea bags brewed in like this tea maker, like this tea brewer, and I'll put like not four, 7 tea bags into this big pitcher or this. It's like how you make coffee, where you put tea bags into the thing where you put the coffee grinds. Um, well, first you add the water, of course, like you do a coffee machine. Um, and then you put the tea bags where you put the grinds. Um, and the way this tea maker is, it's cold. It's cold tea. So you put cold tea or ice in the whole entire thing. And what the machine does is it will brew hot tea, and it'll melt some of the ice, but then there's still some of the ice left over, that it causes the tea to cool down, and that's what we make. And my dad loves it, because he loves tea. Um, he grew up drinking tea. Oh, his mother would always make him tea because he's the only one that would drink it. So his mom would make it for him, um, and when I make it, he loves it because it's one of the only things he can drink because of his diabetes. Plus, a lot of drinks cause him heartburn because he has acid reflux. So a lot of drinks will cause him to have heartburn, which is very sad to me. But yeah. Right now it is 9:02, and sorry, I'm still trying to work on my blue sheets. Like I said yesterday, I'm 4 weeks behind, so I'm trying to work on that. I do work during nap time at work, so I'm gonna end up doing them during nap time. because I'd probably make it easier then too, so I'm not spending a lot of my time at home doing it, because it does get annoying. Even though I'm about to be like just 3 weeks behind, because this week is almost done. I think I did. Yeah, this is the last like 3 sheets of 1 week. Last 3 sheets of 1 week. So, or one day. I have Tuesday. So, yeah. I'm almost done with this. Okay, so you guys just saw a clip of me driving in the rain earlier, and as you can see on the roads, there was a lot of puddles forming on the streets. That's actually very common in my area, especially on that road you saw me traveling on. That's like one of the main roads that leads out into town from my house, and that road, along with the side roads, flood a lot. And I don't know why that they don't have like little drainage things that go off to the side. I don't know if like it's not doable to put them there or what, but there aren't any there. And I don't know why. And when it rains really hard, like it did today, like it was non-stop all day. When I got home, you guys know my car is really small. It's a low to the ground kind of car. It's the way it was made. And it's really scary to have to drive home when the roads are flooding. Luckily, it wasn't that bad by the time I was able to get home. Um, but by the time I got home, it it hadn't it stopped raining at about 2 o'clock. So I was lucky. I was thankful because it gave some of the. It's hot. It wasn't cool. Like usually the rain cools stuff down, but it was hot. Um, so I guess um um when um when one of the other teachers was leaving, she left. Maybe like 5 minutes later, she came back because she couldn't get to her house because she lives maybe 50 minutes away from here. 45 minutes from where I work, which is 10 minutes away from me, from my house right now. So she said she couldn't because, the traffic's backed up, and the roads are starting to flood, and if the main roads that do have like little drainage ditches are starting to flood, then that means like the little side streets are as well. So she said it's not worth it because you can barely see a foot in front of the nose of your car. And the roads are flooding, it's not worth it, especially since she's like me, she has a low to the ground kind of car, so she said it wasn't worth it. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you guys have a great night and a great day. Like, subscribe, favorite, share with your friends and family, and I hope that you guys have a great night and a great day. And I hope to see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all tomorrow. See you all tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.